Service loop pull strings ensure future maintenance and upgrades without tearing out walls. For electrical and data runs, follow the thumb rule of leaving generous service loops and pull strings to simplify future work and avoid expensive demolition. Leave 12 to 18 inches of spare conductors coiled neatly in each junction box so technicians have room to reterminate or splice without stretching connections. For conduit runs, route a pull string of 3 to 6 feet that is secured at both ends with a durable knot and a labeled tag so it can be grabbed easily when new cable needs to be pulled. When installing long cable runs, avoid tight bends and maintain bend radii at least 4 times the cable diameter for data cables and 3 times for most conductors to prevent conductor or fiber damage. Use fish tape or a continuous braided pull cord when first pulling to reduce friction, and mark tension limits on the pull to prevent damaging terminations. For multi-wire or multi-pair data bundles, separate power from data by at least 12 inches or use grounded metal conduit to reduce interference, and always document the location and length of spare loops in the project drawings and on a durable label inside each box. The 3 most common problems are insufficient spare length, inaccessible pull strings, and unlabeled or undocumented loops. If spare length is too short, you end up cutting into walls or replacing entire runs, so always coil the full 12 to 18 inches and secure it out of the way. Pull strings that are tied off inside a concealed section or are made of weak material often break, so use a continuous durable cord and leave 3 to 6 feet exposed with a tag. When loops and strings are not labeled, technicians spend time guessing and risk mistakes, so write the destination and length on a permanent label and record it in project notes. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by connecting them with professionals who can implement proper service loops and pull string techniques during installation. We also help contractors find work and share best practices through our community discussion boards, where members exchange tips, ask questions, and post job opportunities.